Hello, everyone. Dave from the Blue Guys Real Estate Group. I'm the insurance guy. I got 10 tips for you as it relates to homeowners insurance. Tip number one is market value versus replacement costs. Market value for a home is what you pay for it. That includes the location. That includes even the land that the house is sitting on. That includes how the trends are moving in the environment. All insurance cares about is replacement costs. What if that house would have burned to the ground? What if I need to put a new roof on it? Those are the types of things that insurance calculates. That's why you'll see a huge difference between market value and replacement costs, especially here in Detroit. Tip number two, make sure you get a clue report when you're purchasing a home. So before you waive that contingency on inspection, make sure you get a clue report. Clue stands for Claims, Loss, Underwriting, Exchange. It has all of the claims history on a house for the last 5 to 7 years. So before you waive that inspection, you want to know whether or not a claim was filed for water in the house. You want to make sure that you know whether a roof needed to be put on that home. You want to know if there was any sump pump issues or water backup issues on that house. And the only way that you'll find that out is by looking for a clue report. So make sure you get one. Tip number three, the sewer backup trap. What you might find is most homeowners policies doesn't actually have a coverage for when the sewer backs up into your house from the street. If you're buying a house in the greater Detroit area, like we happen to buy houses, you'll find that sometimes that sewer trap might have trees or blockage or going straight to the street. As a new homeowner, you want to make sure that you have coverage for that type of a claim, because it does not come with that normal homeowners and or landlord's policy. So you make sure you want to pay for that rider. Actually, it's only a couple of $100s a year at max. So make sure you ask your insurance professional about it before you buy. Point number four is the roof age reality check. Although that roof might be 18 years old on that house and to you it looks great, it's not creating any leaks, to an insurer, that's a huge red flag. They're likely not going to insure it. You want to make sure that you take a full inventory of that roof and understand that today some insurers might not even allow you to have a roof that's 18 years old. You might need to replace it. So you want to make sure you have that conversation with the seller in advance of making the purchase, or else you're going to be on the hook for putting a new roof on that house. Tip number five is percentage deductibles over fixed dollar deductibles. In today's insurance policies, to afford you the ability and flexibility to lower your insurance rates, most companies give you the ability to have, say, a 1 or 2% deductible versus $1,000 or $2,500 deductible. So if you have a house that's $400,000 and you have a 2% deductible, you now have an $8,000 bill that you need to pay in the event of a claim. So just make sure you understand what you're purchasing and why the price is what it is. But a lot of times it's fixed as it relates to what your deductible is. Tip number six is flood insurance. Flood insurance is not only for oceanside houses. Here in Michigan, we've actually had more floods because of rising groundwater than most people believe. You want to make sure that you check your flood designation in your area. You're going to talk to your insurance professional about that before you just buy a home, because I'll tell you right now, rising water through flood is not covered under your normal homeowners policy. Tip number seven, if you're buying an older or historic home, you want to make sure you have a local ordinance or a law coverage. If you're buying a home that's built in the 1950s, which again, here in Michigan is something that you see fairly often, but it's one that's currently livable, you want to make sure that you get a local ordinance endorsement on your homeowner's policy. What that does is if for any reason you need to file a claim and you have knob and tube wiring or old galvanized steel pipes, that coverage actually helps you make sure you replace that to new and updated laws. So make sure you talk to your insurance professional about it. Tip number 8 is smart home updates for your home. Now you have different things that can help you protect your home from huge damages. One is water leak. You put those under your sinks. You also have door locks that you can use to help make sure you know when people are entering your home. You have fire retardant systems that help you prevent fires, also house alarms and CO2. You want to make sure that you have all of those things connected, so as soon as it shows up on your phone, you can take immediate action. It'll save you thousands in the long run. Tip number 9, unless you're a professional, hire a professional. I'm good at insurance. My partners do other things, but we're not contractors. So anytime we go into a new home and we're considering what we're gonna do to purchase that home and what we're gonna offer, we always bring our contractors with us so we can better understand what we're actually getting into, so we can make informed decisions related to what we're gonna ask as an offer price for the homes that we're looking to purchase. Don't do it by yourself. It's a huge mistake. Tip number 10, don't wait until the last minute to talk to your insurance professional. They can give you so many things to think about. They can help you understand what the cost of insurance will be for this home, what potential pitfalls you may run into. And also, most insurance companies will need at least a drive-by inspection on the home that can at least give you some understanding of what to expect on the outside of the house. So always, always, always talk to your insurance professional early and often, and they can help you with the buying process. Thanks again for watching. This is Dave, the insurance guy of the Blue Guys Real Estate Group. If you got questions, make sure you check out the Blue Guys. We can help make sure that you don't over or under insure your home. Look for more content and videos from us coming soon.